What's up? Episode 5, Monster Train. You all know it. You already know who it is. If you don't, I don't know why you're here. Leave. Just kidding. Please stay. I need views. But we're gonna hop right in. I want a dub. I really want a dub. So I'm gonna go with a good old classic combo wombo of glory. I know I say this literally every time, but this time I promise. Maybe. And I won't restart this time like I did last time. I really didn't feel like dealing with that shit. So we're gonna we're gonna do this. Hellhorn, Melting Remnant. Yeah. Hollow Drippings. And shit. I don't fucking know. Yo, I'm stupid. The tomb died. Do I have any consume cards? Let's see. I do have consume cards, but I have two of them. Do I have any tomb units? Don't. I don't like playing them. So we're gonna go with that. Give me Burn Bright. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, you can go for some plays with Reform, but honestly, I like Burn Bright. Burn Bright here is my way to go. Hopefully, I get Reform. Reform first thing, or Wicked Blaze or Reform. Right there, that there, and we'll put him in as a tank, and then he'll die. Bingo bongo boom, motherfucker. Put him there. Do a little bit of damage. Get that balling out. And yeah. Hollow drippings. Do that. And do that. And yeah. I think that's a good play. Probably gonna die here. Honestly, that is what it is. Oh, never mind. He dies. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sit down, boy. Big headed boy. Purifying cleanse. Pretty good. Pretty good. Restores 10 health. And hidden passage. Hidden passage is probably best here. I can get a beefy boy, or I can get gold boy. Eeny meeny miny mo could sacrifice. So if y'all eeny meeny miny mo. Right one. Look the second. It. I didn't get reform, but honestly, it's not a big of a deal. But I do want to go. I do want to go with the bounty hunter play. I want to upgrade some units too, anyways. That's pretty good. Fairy and Thug's pretty freaking good. Multi-strike on Feller and help him out. I'm gonna help him out with a little bit of health, a little bit of stuff. You know what I mean? Help that boy. Help the boy out. And put a drag on it. Because drags are very important to a wax building reform run. They are. They're like 10 armor. I can deal with 10 armor. Cause I want the bounty hunter. Bounty hunter is so dirty. He is. He's one of the best. I think he's the Overgorger. He is definitely one of the best. Thank God for that. This Tycoon. Put a little bit of that. Hollow drippings for sure. Oh. Guess what? It doesn't matter anyways. This guy's super freaking good. Get doink, son. Get out of here. Get out of here. I guess. Wickless. Honestly, Multingham. Multingham's pretty good. I don't like any of this. I don't like any of these. I don't. I just don't like them. Now, if it's a Merchant of Magic, I'm going with a Merchant of Magic. And nope, but it is a Merchant of Steel, which I will go. Large stone. Let's put on the big phone. That's all I want. If I get the Demon Fiend, I get Alpha Fiend, which is really good. Umbra, Stygian Guard, Consumable. Okay, let's think. What do we have? We have Trample. Then we have Quick. Then we have Multi-Strike. A Quick would be... Or Trample, I mean. Nah, it doesn't matter if we die if I actually get a good thing. It wouldn't matter. It wouldn't matter if I died because I can get Reform. Alright. But am I gonna get it this run? Probably fucking not. But guess what? We're gonna try. Daedalus, 2 explosions, do twice, not that big of a deal. To be honest, it's not that big. I do want to get okay, Variant Thug. Him here. Bing. Wickless Tycoon. Explosion. Wickless. And then Hollow Drippings. I would have loved to play him, but honestly, it wasn't gonna happen. But I will do that. We'll do that. Put him there. Put him there. And yeah. Don't want the haste. Let's put the welder guy right there. Let's put extra burnout right there. And yeah. Can't do another one. Hopefully he dies. Like, it's not that big of a deal if he doesn't, so. There you go. There you go. And well, he's gonna die anyways next turn, so. It's not that big of a deal. It's not that big of a deal. Take a little bit of power damage, but just to get in the habit of it, and then doesn't have to do it. So yeah. Bingo, Slay. Look at that. That's a lot of gold. That's a lot of gold for not having. Wax Spike's pretty good. I didn't get him again. I got another Alpha Fiend, which I can't play, unfortunately. But I will go for the Light of Seraph. Light of Seraph just means I could place more units, which is pretty good. Apparently, I don't have a Reform deck, so unfortunate. I gotta go right side. I gotta get a unit. I gotta get a unit that can sweep. I want to get some Transdoors as well, so. Fuck me. Not gonna. I really want the Bounty Hunter. I want to show, I really want to show people how good the Bounty Hunter. Like, the Bounty Hunter is ridiculously good. Fortunately, I'm not getting it. But. Oh, that's it. That's Big Daddy. Then, I'll put this here. Maybe it's a little more playable. But that could honestly replace. Oof. 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 Reform a random unit. Honestly. I think that's the play right here. You know why? Because I'm not gonna, like, if I'm not going for a Reform deck, like, why should I do it? Why should I do it then? If I'm not going for a Reform deck. There's no point. There's no point in me trying to go for it then. Like, it's just not smart on my part. Know what I mean? Alpha Fiend. And I'll take a straight to take a little bit of damage. Yeah. Good for him. Oh yeah. Give me my Wickless Tycoon. Tycoon. Big bet. Put him right there. Wickless. A little bit of that. There we go. I should probably let him hit it. Should probably do that, but. Is he gonna kill him? Well, he's not gonna kill him, but. Am I gonna kill this guy? Oh, I am. Wow. Get in the habit. I should get in the habit of doing this. See what I mean? You see what I mean? You see what I mean? Like, it's really good. It's pretty fucking good. Faithful. I do like me some draft. I do like me some draft units. Tiresome Climb. I already have this in. Honestly, I don't really care. I don't really care. I like my deck. I like my deck. Hate on me all you want. I like my deck. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? Honestly, what do I wanna do? What do I wanna do here? I don't know what I wanna do here. Maybe make this a little stronger so I can ignore armor. Maybe give it holdover. Maybe make this just cheaper. I'm probably gonna team. There's a holdover. Nope. That's gonna be that. If I can get that to like proc a lot, that'd be really good. And honestly, just make it free. Just make it free. No reason not to make it free. Other than like, I'm lazy and but I have plenty of fucking money. Quick. I like trample. I like trample right here. I should have waited. I should have waited then. Wow. I should have waited. Kids, always eat your veggies first. Because the sweets come last. Remember that. Oh, fuck this guy. I don't want spell shields. I don't want spell shields here, and I don't care about money that much because I make a lot of money, and I don't want to deal with the spell shield. Especially with my holdover Pierce. I don't want that. I don't want to deal with that. I just don't want to deal with that. Big fella up here. This guy's super fucking beefy. I hate these guys. I hate these guys with a passion. Trample. Torch him. This guy's gonna fuck my guy. He's gonna fuck him. He's gonna legit fuck him. Get my hold over. There it is. I want to save him. I want to save him. That's so little damage. His deck's doing so terrible. It's the fact that he does like so much damage. I'm not gonna win this. I'm not gonna win this. More than likely, I'm not gonna win this. But never fucking know. Never fucking know. Nope, my power's not gonna live. Wow. I didn't get anything run, so probably could have played that way better. Honestly, could have. gonna try again. I'm gonna try again. Honestly, that's probably just my bad. I'm gonna try again. I would luck. I'm gonna try again. I'm definitely gonna try again. I'm gonna say that. I don't know why I can't win. I literally can never win on recording for some reason. I have no idea why. I know I can. Draft, extinguish. Okay, bet. Ooh, ooh, yeah. That's good. That's good. And harvest is stupid. If I would have gone for reform, I would have gone for reform that time. But harvest is dumb. Plus 5 health. I already had that. Don't want it. Yeah. Gold. Gold's always a plus. And if I can get the bounty hunter, like, I can have somebody to back him up. You know what I mean? Like, I can have him, someone back him up, and he can be super broken. I just have him constantly die. So, I think it's a pretty good turn. Take a little bit of fire damage, but you know what? Yes, sir. Kill you. Don't want to feel like dealing with you. And then, I like my draft. Fortunately. Fortunately, we have a little bit of a problem here, motherfucker. I can't. I have nothing to continue that. So yeah, and yeah, that's looking pretty great right here. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. And yeah, I'm gonna take some fucking damage on the pie right here. Ooh, actually, that's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. That's for sure. That is for sure. And I guess Purifying Cleanse. I guess. But I loved an actual, like, fucking reform, but, like, I guess. Oh, yeah, growing units. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm not getting the card I want. I got to. I literally have to. Like, I don't have a choice. I don't have a choice. I have to fish for a holdover. Do I do it? Yeah, I do it. I do it. You know why? I want my bounty hunter. I want the bounty hunter. The bounty hunter is so broken. I love him. He's my favorite character. He's my favorite one next to the Overgorger. Holy shit, that guy's broken too. Fuck bitch. Oh yeah. That's gonna be a slight problem. Fuck him. I'm thinking. Purifying Cleanse. Let's go. And I got the holdover. And just put Train Stewards, bro. Just put Train Stewards. Am I gonna live? I'm not gonna live. Help this guy out. There it is. Bingo! Get the fuck out of my face, bitch. Come on, please, please. There it is, the molded. Holy shit. Fuck. Honestly? Honestly, not bad. Not bad here, because Wickless Tycoon could definitely go behind my... No, Wickless. Not the Tycoon, my other guy. I'm fish for a holdover. I gotta fish for a holdover. Holy shit. And guess what? Make it free? GG, boys. G fucking G. Do I want any other card? Do I want to have... Not fucking really. So, I mean, I can go for honestly, I really don't want anything. I just don't. Like, I like Umber and Wax in the Melting Remnant could be their own clans. I feel that. I really feel like they can be their own clans. Like, they don't need a secondary. They could be. I'm not saying, like, none of them, like, all of them could be, like, quote unquote, would be, but, like, they have so many cards that do so many things, like, they could really be their own. They have healing damage, targeted damage, and, I mean, Stygian Guard has a, ooh, already. Already. And put this fucking guy right there. Get the fuck out of my face, game. You're already doing this to me. Draft. Oh, I love fucking draft. Don't even get me started. I love draft. I fucking love draft. Holy penis, that's good. Nope, I don't want to do that. I want to do this right here. Put him right there. Mold him, because I can't use anything else. And yeah. I love draft. Draft is my favorite unit in the game. Like, I'm serious. Draft is such a good unit. Are now 3? There's no point in us not. And yeah. So I should probably put the Wickless Tycoon first, but honestly, who gives a fuck? Do I want it on him? Honestly? Nah, just keep making him fucking big as hell. I love, like, draft is so good. I will do. Make him a little beefier. Make him a little beefier. Not beefier, but like, do that. And then, don't use that, so. Watch this. Actually, can I kill him? A little bit of gold in that, baby girl. Hey! I think like the holdover is so good. Oh yeah, I don't want endless. Okay. Let me think this here. If I get Horned Warrior, I make these guys insanely good. I can make these guys super good. I can get so much money, stuff like that. And I want to purge some cards, and I definitely want to do this. So, play here. Purge Train Stewards. I don't want Train Stewards. I'm sorry, you've been good to me. You know what, that artifact, I feel like it's a gimmick. Nope, don't want that. I don't want it. I don't want it. This guy a little stronger, a little beefier, you know what I mean? I don't want a large stone. No, don't want that. Yeah, make this guy good. Make that guy really good. Make this guy beefy because he's gonna be in the front for a little bit. So, and on Brightburn again. It was reform. Actually, I don't need reform now. I don't, because I have holdover reform. Nah, I don't. Nah, I'm good. I don't want to deal with that. Don't want to deal with that. Just put it that way. I don't want to deal with that. Let me just put it that in simple. I just don't feel like dealing with that. Wow. Wow. I mean, yeah. Fortunately, I skipped that whole floor, but. I need to thin out my deck a little bit. Probably should take a little bit of damage because that's just how the game rolls. You know what I mean? Like, just how it is. Fuck. Put this on Pop. This drag. Draft units. Yes, sir. Put the burnouts on them bitches. Use that. Then, yeah. I want to use. Give me a draft with this. I don't want to take my power doing any more damage. I don't want my pyre. Yeah, fuck you, bitch. And just to get in the habit of it. So. GG. Doink! And get the fuck out of here. And especially this card draw I can do. These guys didn't even get fucked. Engulfed in smoke is disgusting. Oh. I guess. I don't know. I have no idea what that means. I have no idea. Nice voice crack, Matthew. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. And I need the pyre health anyway, so. Definitely. Take. Honestly, I don't like these. I don't need most of my cards are gonna be 0 anyways. Like that's just how it is. Like most of my cards are gonna be. I hate this boss so much. Like I hate this boss with like a passion. I hate this fucking boss. I have no idea why I hate this boss. I fucking hate this boss. You could not tell me why I hate this boss, but I fucking hate it. Oh yeah. Oh. And I. And I fucking hit. I love. Draft is such a good, awesome unit. Like I just like the draft. I feel like they're underappreciated. Like I definitely feel like they're underappreciated. Especially with that. Let's put that bitch right there. And the draft. I love the draft. I fucking hate more. Hate this fucking boss. I'll let you know I fucking hate this boss. I fucking hate this boss, by the way. I hate this boss. Like, I hate this boss. I genuinely hate this boss. Shit. I genuinely hate this boss. Like, this boss can suck my balls. Hate this boss. This stealth is so stupidly good. But guess what? fucking shit rock, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you and your mama, little asshole. I hate that boss. Like, I hate that legit. Ah! Aha! Back at it again, are we? I told you, bro. I love the bounty hunter. He's awesome. Love the bounty hunter. Definitely give me that pyro. And do I honestly need this? Like, I don't need any of it. Get rid of that, honestly. Then, hold over? No. Purge. I'm gonna purge a couple of cards from my deck, I think. Train Stewards. I definitely want to get rid of one of these guys. Right here? Sorry. Sorry you have to go. I'm sorry. I like you a lot. Do I really? Yeah. 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 A relic, honestly. Yeah, I don't care about money. I mean, sure. I mean, it's not gonna hurt me. It's not. I mean, I can put double stack on. I can put double stack on reform. I mean, on that one, probably be straight as a fucking duck. If I can get my bounty hunter to die a lot, that'd be pretty nice. Hopefully, I have a lot of units. I have a lot of fucking units. But I'm a god, and I draw this guy first, which is something of a dub. And this is the dub, and that's the dub. This tycoon, I don't want to put him over there. Right here, right here. Holy shit, that did so much damage. 19 damage? Wait a second. I'm gonna have to set up here. I'm gonna have to set up here and kill these guys. That's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to set up here, kill these guys. Hopefully kill these guys. I survived with 8 health. I survived with 8 health. Holy shit. I barely fucking survived. Okay, but they do. Those two die. It happens. I survived with 10 health in me. Whatever. Fuck it. Fuck yeah. Give me that stealth. Burn out this guy. Don't want that one. that guy right there. I guess, I don't know. Sorry, I'm quiet. I'm just like concentrating right now. I drew him again? I mean, shit, why not? I don't see why not. I don't see why not. You know what I mean? Like, I don't. Drag. He's at the back, because. Why the fuck not? And. I mean, why not? Yeah, he got a little bit of damage on that thing. Yeah. Shit, good thing I'm fucking molded. This is where the Big Daddy cards come in. Oh, I should have waited. Should have waited. I should have waited. That's my bad. I could have had way more damage. I could have had way more damage. Bro. I could have had way more damage. Holy shit, that's not nearly enough. I'm definitely gonna replay this floor, so. I didn't want to do that, but I had to. This is such a good run, I don't want to waste it. It's 1:22 in the morning. Holy penis. And I gotta be up like 7 tomorrow. I have a terrible sleep schedule. Fuck you gonna do about it, huh? Not a damn thing. Not a fucking thing. I'll fucking whip this Tycoon up there. Draft. That. Another one. That. Maybe he'll die. Probably not. Fortunately, he gets burnout. Which I don't mind him having, because it's not that big of a deal for me. Here. Yeah, just do that shit. Just do that shit. End turn. Oh yeah, that is the worst case scenario. But you survive, you do not. I'll put big fella, biggest fella, in there, him there, draft, him, and let's get off. Well, I could probably played that up here and killed him. And you're not gonna die. You sucking bitch. I hope and pray that I have. You fucking shitter. Fuck this game sometimes. Like, fuck this game. Aha, thank God. Thank God. Give me burn out 4 on that guy. Yeah, I want you to take damage, so. Burn out. That's gonna have, that was gonna have, but. Yeah, put you. This floor. Put you. On this floor. Put you on that. A little bit of stealth on you. Find a way, baby. Beef these guys up a little bit. Beef him up. Put a little more smoke. Mold again. Kinda want these guys to die up here. Just like a little bit. Kinda want them to die. So I can place my champion and shit. Like, that's what I would like. What you like, you know what I mean? You can't always have what you like. This guy in the back, they die. This guy up here. Cause they might die. Put that there. And guess what? I win. Fucker. Fuck you, bitch. Just had to replay it again. Memento Mori. Return a random unit to your hand. Enhance it with fucking shit. Fucking shit. Fucking shit. Fucking shit. Fucking shit. I don't know what I want. I think I want another capacity. I want another capacity. I'm weird. Capacity with, I don't know. Like, Formless Child's so good. Merchant of Magic anyway? Oof. 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 Got me Pyro Health, and let me get another reform of this bitch. Armor molded. Whatever. Potato, tomato. Doors. And I don't want any other one of these. You know what of these? I'm good. I'm good. I'm straight as a duck. What a burp. I don't want either one of them. I just don't want them. Why? I don't know. And I do 3 molded cards. Enemy spell shields have 400. How much health do you have? 1,000. The trample for 400 coins. For 400 coins, not worth. I don't care. There's basically no. Whatchamacallit? Oof. Oof. It's real fucking good. Give me the Tycoon. Protect him from damage. And yeah. Guess you'll die. I haven't molded. You don't die yet. Drake. I'll put him in front. Take that little bit of damage. You know what I mean? Let him take a little bit of damage too. Put him there. That there. Oh yeah. I don't know how to win. I really don't know how I'm gonna win this. Formless Child. Okay. I have no idea. I'm just trying to think here. I'm just trying to think. Take my damage. I'm gonna lose that guy. I'm probably gonna. I might lose my pyre here. Yeah, I'm gonna lose my fucking pyre. Yep. I lost on this floor probably. Holy shit. Wait. Question mark. Question mark. Question mark. Question mark. Do I have a god play here? Do you? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Do I have okay, okay, so he does 122 damage. He has a how much? How much? Oh, 40. Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll make it. I'll make it. It'll be fucking close, but I'll make it. made it. Told you we fucking close. I gotta set up. I gotta set up on this floor. I literally put everything back. Literally everything. Yeah, I don't want to. I just don't want to deal with him. But yeah, definitely put that. Have him. Have that. You fucking bitch. Yes, sir. BAM! That's the power of F 7 HP. I can literally not fuck up. I literally just can't fuck up. That's some spicy. Okay. I need fucking health. 25 health. Honestly, they're gonna one-shot my shit anyway, so it doesn't matter. Let's go for the fucking place, bitch. Over the fucking place. Don't wanna. Fuck that. Give me damage. Give me god damn. This guy's fucking mad as hell. Fuck that. Fuck it. Fuck it. Okay, and then let's go fight fucking Seraph! Holy Jesus Christ. I'm sorry, I'm so quiet. I'm like, oh, the consume penis. That's all I gotta say, like, literally penis. How's the setup? What's the setup look like here? That. That. I don't want to. No comments for reform. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. I can't. I literally just can't. I just can't afford that. I can't afford that either. I just can't. I can't afford to do any of that. I forgot about that guy on the fucking floor. Oh my god. Oh, that's what I get. That's what I get. Cards drawn 390. Oh, wow. I was so close. I was close. Probably a little bit better play. Not as much power damage. Could have won. But yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed. Yeah. If you liked, comment. Maybe give me a little like button. Maybe even hit that subscribe button. You already know, like something slight like that, like nothing much. But if you hated it, if you disliked it, give me a dislike. I deserve it. Put a hateful comment. I deserve it. Unsubscribe if you were subscribed and you liked it originally, but then it's trash. Like, just fuck it. And tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your grandma, tell your dog, tell your fish, and tell the grass. Like, even the grass needs it here. I'm shitty. But yeah. Anyways, all love, no hate. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.